Breaking news that's coming in. This is Congress standing by Rahul's Gaddar salvo, where an ex-Punjab Chief Minister Channi has come out to say, and I quote, "Mantri Bittu is a traitor." Rahul told Bittu to wear pagdi. Channi comes out to say and adds to his remarks that Rahul is behind Bittu's rise. Cong MP Channi has also said Bittu has betrayed the Congress. This is what we are in fact learning. Let's quickly first listen in to what Charanjit Channi had to say on this entire episode before we in fact proceed with more details.
Here is a traitor walking right by. Take a look at your face. This is what it looks like. Hello, brother. My traitor friend. Surrender. Don't worry, you'll come back. Surrender. Here is a traitor walking right by. Take a look at your face. This is what it looks like. Hello, brother. My traitor friend. Surrender. Don't worry, you'll come back. Surrender.
जो वाकया हुआ सुबह, हम इस वक्त उसी जगह पर खड़े हैं जहाँ पे रवनीत सिंह बिट्टू एज राहुल गांधी जी खड़े थे। इस पूरे वाक्य को आप किस तरह से देखते हैं?
ऐसा है कि राहुल गांधी बिट्टू को बचपन से ऊपर उठाने वाले हैं। राहुल गांधी ने उसको कहा था कि पगड़ी बांधा करो, तुम्हें एमपी बनाना है। वो राहुल गांधी है जिसको नीचे से उठाकर लाया। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने उसको 3 बार एमपी बनाया, तो वो कांग्रेस पार्टी छोड़कर गया। तो राहुल जी ने कहा आप कांग्रेस के और हमारे गद्दार हो, हमारे गद्दार दोस्त हो आप। ये बात हुई है और इसमें कोई शक भी नहीं है कि उसने पार्टी को धोखा दिया, उसने पार्टी के साथ अकृतज्ञता की और उसने गद्दारी की।
तो आप मानते हैं गद्दार हैं?
पार्टी के जिन्होंने उसको नीचे से उठाकर एक आम नौजवान से एक एमपी बनाकर पूरे देश में आगे लेकर आई वो पार्टी, उसने उससे गद्दारी।
Well, with that, viewers, Piyush Mishra joins us on the broadcast with more details on this particular story at this point of time. Piyush, a very good morning to you. Let's understand what's been said by Channi. He completely is backing Rahul Gandhi's jibe at this point of time, saying that yes, Ravneet Singh Bittu is a traitor and his rise was in fact backed by Rahul Gandhi in his political journey itself. Just put it into further context for us.
Well, that's right, Shreya, and like you rightly mentioned that it's the Congress MP Charanjit Singh Channi who has now come out and he is also supporting what Rahul Gandhi said, and this support is certainly indicating as to how Rahul Gandhi is completely enjoying the support of Congress MPs. We have been speaking to various MPs, and Charanjit Singh Channi, who is a former Chief Minister of Punjab and is a senior leader of the Congress party, he has also come out and said that yes, Ravneet Singh Bittu is a Gaddar. While we were talking to him, he also stressed out about the fact that Ravneet Singh Bittu was, the rise of Bittu has happened because of the support of Rahul Gandhi. Channi has also gone on to say that Ravneet Singh Bittu has left us, he has cheated on us, and that's why he is a Gaddar. This is the kind of statement which Charanjit Singh Channi is now using for Ravneet Singh Bittu. So this is certainly telling us as to how Rahul Gandhi is completely enjoying the support of the Congress MPs. Yesterday, various Congress MPs who were suspended, they were continuously protesting, and when we asked them about what happened when Rahul Gandhi called Bittu Gaddar, they were also of the view that there is nothing new in that. Ravneet Singh Bittu had left the party and had joined the BJP for his own benefit. He is an opportunist. That's what the views of various Congress MPs. And now Channi coming out on record and saying that Rahul Gandhi told Bittu to wear a turban so that he can be made MP. The rise of Ravneet Singh Bittu is happening just because Rahul Gandhi supported him. So we are now seeing as to how Rahul Gandhi is coming out. Rahul Gandhi first called Bittu a traitor, and now Congress MPs and various other leaders of the Congress party, they are extending their full support to Ravneet Singh, to what Rahul Gandhi said. We'll have to wait and watch how the BJP is going to react on this.
Absolutely, Piyush. Thank you for putting it into context for our viewers. This is where the entire political debate now stands, and as the day unfolds, we'll keep a close watch as to how things progress on that very front.